Hello, my dear students. This is Imtiaz Ahmed Barwiya, your SST teacher. Hope you all are fine. As you know, due to lockdown, we all have to stay in our home. To continue our study, we have taken a decision to take online classes. Without delaying your time, I am coming to the point. Our SST SA1 course is chapter 1, 5, 8, 9 and 10. First three chapter, which is chapter 1, 5 and 8, we have completed in our previous assessment. So you all need to revise these chapters again and again. Now I am going to discuss chapter 9. Name of the chapter is communication. First of all, we need to understand the meaning of communication, what is communication, and then we go through the chapters. Let me explain in Bengali the meaning of communication. কমিউনিকেশন এর বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে যোগাযোগ করা। যোগাযোগ হচ্ছে এমন একটা পদ্ধতি যার দ্বারা আমরা আমাদের মনের ভাব, ধারণা এবং অনুভূতি অন্যের কাছে পৌঁছাতে পারি। প্রত্যেক জীব একে অপরের সাথে কমিউনিকেট করে কোনো শব্দের দ্বারা বা কোনো ভঙ্গির দ্বারা অথবা কোনো ভাষার দ্বারা। বেসিক্যালি communication has two types, which is verbal and non-verbal. So verbal communication, now I am going to explain what is verbal communication. In verbal communication, we can communicate with one another through words such as we talk to one another, or we write a letter or a message to another. This is called verbal communication. Verbal communication has two types, oral and written communication. So the oral communication is a spoken communication as we speak to one another. This is called oral communication. The example of oral communication is lecture, meeting, telephonic conversation, etc. And another types of verbal communication is written communication. You can understand from the word written communication. So the meaning of written communication is we can communicate with one another through writing words, through written words. It is known as written communication. The example of written communication is letters, notice, report, magazine, books, etc. Now we are going to another kind of communication. This is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is a kind of communication happen without the help of words. It should be communicated through signs, symbols and gestures. Non-verbal communication has basically three types. One is visual communication, oral communication and gestural communication. Visual communication is the conveyance of ideas and information in forms that can be seen, such as a traffic policeman showing the stop sign. Now oral communication. Oral communication, we got one more oral communication in the type of verbal communication, but both are different. Keep it in your mind, it's not same but different. In non-verbal oral communication, you will get a sound which is not word but a symbol or a sign through which we understand the information. We get the information, such as a ring of bell which is used in school. It is a sound, it is just a sound through which we understand the starting and closing of our school hours. Or another is gestural communication. Gestural communication is a kind of communication through which we convey through the various body parts, body language, such as when we get angry, we show our angry face. When you get happy, then you show your smiley face. This is called gestural communication. So rest of the chapter I will discuss in the next class, and your homework is make a diagram of verbal and non-verbal communication and make a diagram with example, and then if possible send it to our WhatsApp group so that I can understand whether you are reading or not reading. Okay, thank you.